Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Have you ever built a beautiful house like this one and then wanted to plant a palm tree and you got this? If yes, you're watching the right video, because today I'm gonna show you how to transform this into this. The materials we will be using are coconut blocks, palm leaves, and palm logs. So the first thing we want to do is place a pillar of 5 blocks using palm logs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then place a pillar next to it that is 4 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then place a pillar that is 3 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3. And then place a pillar that is 2 blocks tall. 1, 2. Then grab your palm leaves and place a block. Then place another block here, a block here, 2 blocks as shown, and 1 block here. So we have this kind of cross shape. Then we want to go here and place 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. Go here and place 1 block, 2 blocks, 1, 2. Go here and place 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. And here place 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then place 1 block here, 2 blocks here, 1 block here, and 1 block here. It should look like that by now. Then we go down and place 2 blocks like that, 2 blocks here, 2 blocks here, finally 2 blocks here. Then grab your coconut blocks and place them as shown. And there you have it, an easy and wonderful palm tree. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.